Now that you understand what panel data is, it's time to prepare it for analysis. In this episode, we will reshape our country dataset into a clean panel structure that Excel can work with efficiently. This is our working dataset. 3 countries observed over 4 years, with 2 variables, GDP per capita and inflation. It's already in long format, but in this episode we'll learn how to reshape it, clean it, and prepare it for fixed effects and random effects models. Panel data can be stored in 2 structures, long format and wide format. Econometric analysis, especially in Excel, works best in long format. But many datasets arrive in wide format, so we need to know how to reshape them. This is what I will show you next. Let's assume our country dataset arrived in wide format, as you can see on screen. We have to reshape it into long format, which is the structure required for panel data econometrics. To reshape the data, we first need to create the structure of the long format, 1 row per country year. I'll start typing the column names, in the order, country, year, and then the 2 variables. We want each country to appear 4 times, once for each year. Instead of typing manually, we use a formula that repeats each country name exactly 4 times. This formula automatically repeats France 4 times, then Spain 4 times, and so on. Drag it down for 12 rows. And we have our first column. Let's move to the next one. Next, we want the years to cycle, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and then repeat for the next country. This gives us the correct year for each row. Drag it down, and you now have the full country year grid. Now that the structure is ready, we need to pull the correct GDP value for each country year pair. To do this, we use a 2-way lookup. 1 lookup for the country row, and 1 for the year column. This formula tells Excel, find the row where the country matches, find the column where the year matches, and return the GDP value at that intersection. Drag it down, and every row fills automatically. We repeat the same logic for inflation, but using the inflation columns. Again, Excel matches the country, matches the year, and returns the correct inflation value. And that's it. We've transformed a wide dataset into a clean, stacked panel dataset, the exact structure we need for fixed effects, random effects, and all the econometric tools we'll use later in Excel. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.